Hello students, once again welcome to Bholanath Academy. Now students, today we are going to see the conjugate acid base concept. In last video we have seen Arrhenius theory and Lorry and Bronsted theory. Now here students we are going to see conjugate acid base concept. In examination students they are asking what is conjugate acid base concept. Here students the pair of substances which can be formed from one another by gain or loss of protons are known as conjugate acid base pair. So this you have to write down in examination if it is coming. So pair of substance which can be formed from one another, gain or loss of protons are known as what? Conjugate acid base pairs. Now here students, when ionization of acid takes place in water, the hydrogen chloride donate a proton to the water. Since it donate protons, hence it is known as acid, because here students, hydrogen chloride is donating electron, so it is called as acid. Since water molecule accept a proton, it is a base. Now students, here you have given the example HCl combines with water. Now it will form hydronium ion and chloride ion. Now what happens students, here the HCl is donating proton to the water molecules. So because HCl is donating, so acid it is called as acid, and water is accepting electron, that is called as what? Base. Now it is forming hydronium and chloride. Now here students we have reverse reaction, the forward as well as what? Reverse reaction. What happens here students? Now here hydronium will donate the proton. It will donate the proton. So here it is called as what? Acid 2. Now because chlorine will accept one protons, then again it is forming a HCl. So here it is accepting a proton, that is called as this chloride will act as a what? Base. So here students we have forward as well as what? A reverse reaction. In the reverse reaction students, hydronium ion, this is the hydronium ion, donate the proton to the chloride ion, hence it is called as acid, and chloride ion as a base. In above example, HCl is conjugate acid of the base chloride. HCl is the conjugate acid of base chloride, and chloride is the conjugate base of an acid HCl. Also students, water molecule is the conjugate base of hydronium ion, and hydronium ion is the conjugate acid of water. Now here same thing is happening students, when ammonia combines with water, it will form the ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. Now here also it is forward reaction students, and after reverse reaction, what happens students, this ammonium ion students will again donate protons to the hydroxyl, so it will act as a acid, and it is accepting a proton, so it is called as what? Base. Now students, chloride is a weaker base than water. Stronger the acid, weaker is the conjugate base, and stronger the base, weaker is the conjugate acid. Understanding? So from this we comes to know this. Now we are going to see the advantage of conjugate acid base concept students. From this acid base concept students, it defines acids and bases in terms of substances themselves, and not in terms of the ions in the aqueous or any other medium. So here students, substance only explain whether it is acid or base. Now this is the advantage students of the conjugate acid base. Now it will also explain the hydrolysis of salt, the relative proton donor capacity of the solvated cations, and the proton acceptor of the solvated anion to be considered. This concept gives a sound explanation of hydrolysis phenomenon. Understanding students? This way you can also explain the hydrolysis phenomenon. Now students, it is solvated cation possesses a higher proton donor capacity compared to that of solvent. Say for example students, water then solvation tends to be acidic, while if the solvated in ion possesses higher proton acceptor capacity to that of water, the solution tends to be become basic. Okay students, now what are the disadvantages students? It defines acid and base in term of proton transfer only. So these are the disadvantages of acid, conjugate acid and base. Only protons is important here, so proton transfer only, but there are many acid base reaction in which proton transfer does not occur. So these are the disadvantages only. This is the only disadvantage students. These are very important for the examination point of view. To like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.